Well, hello, YouTubers. Look at this. With the click of a button, you get to see my smiling face. I'd like to thank you for checking out this video. Before we get started, I'd like to show you my little attempt at a ticker. At the bottom there, as you can see, it's moving kind of slow, so we'll end up getting past before all the words go by. But basically, it is thanking you for viewing this video. If you are a subscriber, again, thank you. If you're new, welcome. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button. And if you'd like to receive alerts on new videos or live streams, smash that bell button. Now let's get into what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a install and review of an add-on that was pretty popular back in the day. It disappeared, but there has been several articles saying that cCloud is back. But is it really? This is why we're going to get into it. As I will show you, there are a couple things that has me wondering, is it or is it not? But it gives all of us who enjoy IPTV channels for free another option. All right, let's get this party going. As I previously stated, I'm going to be using the Juggernaut build. If you are using a different build or you are using no build at all, YouTube is your friend. Just look up where you need to go. Other than that, explore. I'm not going to hurt anything. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to move on down to the file manager. Now in the file manager, we can either scroll all the way down or just move up, and we're going to add source. In the add source, we're going to move to the URL path or the media location, hit the none, and we're going to put in the URL. At this point, if you need to pause it, please do so. Once you have it in there, as you can see, I'll leave that up there for a couple seconds. And once you're done, you're going to move down. You're going to press the done button, move down to the name. What I like to do is I'm going to name it Kodi. As you will see, that's what it is named. If you do not get an error, then you have done everything correctly. What you can do next is back on out, and then we are going to go into the system, and then we're going to go into add-ons, and then from add-ons we're going to go to the install from zip. And we're going to find the source that we put in, the Kodi, and we're going to install the kodi.zip. Now, depending on your speed of your device and the internet, you may have to wait a few seconds for the repository to be installed. Once in there, we can go to install from repository. Now, by default, for this repository, it's sitting up at the top. Now as I click in here, you can move down to video add-ons. Right now it's already on cCloud because I was exploring it, but I do want to point out that this is a vast add-on. So if it starts at the top, what I like to do is I will just click over to the right, scroll down to we start getting into Alphabet City here. Move on over and find the cCloud TV add-on, and we're going to install it. Once it's installed, you can click on it, actually go from here and go to open, but what I like to do is I like to back out right to the main menu in Kodi, and then I move down to video add-ons, and then from there find the cCloud add-on, and we're going to click in there. Now as you can see, there are a ton of categories in here, all the way from announcements, readme, server status, search, all channels, film on, English, top 10. I'm not going to run through them all. You can do that on your own. What I did is I went through a lot of these, and as stated in the opener, I'm not going to be going and clicking on the specific channels in here in order to not display prohibited content, so I'll leave that up to you. So you can go through and all these. This is just going to be a quick install. The one thing I do want to mention, the reason for my graphic or the reason for doing this is there are a few articles saying that cCloud is back, and I'm questioning, is it really? Have they just revamped some things on here? The reason being is because if you go into the announcements, and it says that the last announcement was or updated in the announcement area was June of 2016. All right. That to me kind of just sets me back a little in here. My view changed on me. So let's just correct that while I'm talking to you guys. And then The second thing that kind of got me thinking is when it went into the server status, it said the cCloud TV.org server is offline. Now, you will find when you are searching in here and you go to click on specific channels or content, some of them are from that particular server and they're working. So again, that's why I kind of questioned it, but it seems to be working. It's not 100%, as everybody knows it won't be, but it gives a lot of options to go through. And that being said, that's why I am actually going to be adding it to my build in here. So I'm going to be adding it to the free section here, which I've already done previously to this video. So as you can see, it's up here. And other than that, that is it. Once again, leave some comments down in the comment area if I'm moving too fast or you'd like to see some things, some suggestions. But until then, thanks for watching.